Have a nice day, friends. I'm back to share a tutorial in source code, and this is the pop-up menu that we can use to make Android applications. We can also apply it to our VPN app projects. If you are interested in our content today, maybe press the subscribe button below and please select all of the notification bells so that you can be notified of all my next videos. Before we start, let's do an intro. What is Popup Menu? Android Popup Menu displays a list of items in a vertical list which presents to the view that invoke the menu and useful to provide an overflow of actions that related to specific content. Let's do first in layout. We will create a button inside. Next, inside the Java, don't worry, I will drop the project in the description below. Then next create a menu folder and then add popupmenu.xml. Okay, we got it. Then if you want to add more item, just add it in Popup Menu. That's all okay guys in this video, and I hope you learned something. At least you know the Popup Menu code. You will no longer have difficulty putting in your app projects. Look out for my next tutorial because I will teach you how to implement AdMob banner and interstitial ads via test app, and I will also show you how to add ads in your VPN projects. Thank you for watching.